Today we're at Harrop Engineering, which is a culmination of 5 years' work in designing the XLC 200k Toyota Land Cruiser retrofit air package. We reacted to the Australian market's complaint of dust ingress causing engine failure on the 200 series cruiser. As a result of that, Donaldson's engineers became involved. Particularly in Australia, the search and quest was on to design a new air housing. Globally, this is something which we have done in the past, but for Australia, it's unique and certainly the first. Hundreds of thousands of dollars of research and investment went in to design a new air housing. This is the Toyota air housing, which has been a little bit the subject of many and varied discussions, particularly with the roof of the air housing not able to withstand high initial restrictions, and the critical seal around the outside of the element which causes problems. The end result, Australia's design engineers came up with a complete retrofit assembly, which is the Donaldson PowerCore, soon to be released. It is a complete all-in-the-box, all-to-fit housing. We've just finished 4 runs with the factory Toyota filter, and we've done another 4 runs with the new Donaldson PowerCore assembly. Very, very impressed with the final results. The 4 runs we've done are to simulate real-time conditions for the Toyota Land Cruiser on the road. Some of the real standouts have been at this stage a noticeable increase in kilowatt output. We also see initial restriction, which is the amount of restriction caused through the air intake system, lower with the Donaldson PowerCore compared to the factory. Some of the other inherent benefits will obviously follow, which is improved fuel economy, depending on how customers use the vehicle. So it's been a very, very successful day. One of the huge benefits of the PowerCore is the improved sealing design, the lower restriction, which prevents engine dusting, which is a known issue with the 200 series cruiser. One of the last improvements is the longevity of the filter. The PowerCore filter is a radically different design. It's not just a flat panel filter. The PowerCore filter has about 3 times more filter media than a factory Toyota unit. The serviceability we anticipate will be far greater, much higher dust holding capacity, and when it does get loaded, it still doesn't diminish the performance of the product. We anticipate that it'll be a service item in the Australian lineup for a number of years to come.